Welcome to Track 3D. Today we'll show you how to download the current screen image you're viewing and generate PDF reports. Firstly, go to the level you would like to download an image, then click on the desired capture point and select View Image option from the pop-up window. Now you are in the reality image mode. From here, select the drop-down menu from the top of the screen and look for Download icon from the options. Once clicked on the icon, here you'll find three options: Download current screen, download PDF report, email PDF report. Download current screen. Click this option to download the 360-degree image currently displayed as a JPG file. Download PDF report. Select this to open a pop-up window where you can add comments and rename the report for better organization. Once finalized, the PDF report will be saved locally. Email PDF report. This option also opens a pop-up window for adding comments and renaming the report. Once you confirm, the PDF report is emailed to your registered email address. We hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please reach out to us at support@track3d.ai. Thank you for using Track 3D.